welcome back. Today we are working on prepping the frame for its first coat of 415.
So the first thing you do is use a degreaser. It's mixed 4 to 1 to get a coat of this on. We're going to pressure wash it, let that dry. We'll come back, we'll put the metal prep on there. That sits for about 20 minutes. Try to keep it wet, and then it's ready to shoot.
John, how's it looking?
It looks good. Everything's coming off pretty well. We'll probably end up blowing this out. There's a lot of dirt still in the rails. Doing what we can to get it out the inside of the frame rail so it won't come back and show up in our paint later on. So we've got the degreaser all finished. We've dried the frame off with air. We're getting ready to apply the metal prep. The directions say to keep it wet for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Allow it to sit for at least 30, and then it does say to rinse it off. We went back and double checked. So we're going to get after that now. Once we do that, we're going to wheel it back in, but I think we're going to paint this inside. So we're going to do it that way.
So one of the things we noticed is that the master cylinder proportioning valve started leaking. It's been disconnected for a while, but it's been just decided to start leaking. So we're going to take a 15mm socket on our 3/8 ratchet and get this thing disconnected. Our next step here is to pressure wash the frame. I'm going to try and walk this through to give you guys an idea of what this looks like before the pressure washing happens. So this is the metal prep step. It's been sprayed on. Been on there for about 40 minutes or so. Told it would turn kind of white. So we're going to pressure wash this off, get her dried off, and get her back inside so we can start the painting.